there's so many challenges na nangyayari sa ating lahat. There's so many challenges at masasabi natin na maraming pandemic or whatever challenges those na nangyayari sa atin. But sure, I can assure you, I can give you an assurance that there's so many things that's happening to us right now that we cannot control. But I have good news for you. The good news is there's also things that we can control. And you know kung ano po yun? That's our attitude, our action, our reaction, and our mindset. That's why I entitled my topic right now, as you can see in my slide, the process of breaking crisis mindset. And when we talk about crisis, you have two choices. You can see that as negative or positive, because crisis is like challenges. Okay? You can be a victim or you can be a victor. You can be a loser or you can be a winner. It is your choice. Everything starts with a mindset. Mindset is very powerful. And everything starts with the mindset. Do you agree? Pakitype nga dyan, I agree. Mindset. Everything starts with the mindset. Process of breaking crisis, mindset. That's my main topic. And ladies and gentlemen, look at this. Okay? Look at this. I want to focus more and concentrate on 3 words. Reflect, recharge, and reset. 3 powerful words that you can easily connect to what happened to 2020. Why am I discussing 2020? Because many people are questioning, many people are questioning or have some question about, 2020, is this a very, it is not a good year. 2000 was not a good year. But for us, trainers, motivators, we always see positive things in all those challenges. That's why reflect. And we have to reflect. And we say reflect, what do I mean? Let's define about reflection. Reflection, it is a process. It is a process of exploring and examining ourselves. Meaning, everything depends on ourselves, on how we see ourselves. Victim, victor, winner, or loser. The question is, are you a winner or a loser? Are you a victim or are you a victor? It's up to you. But being a positive person, being a distributor here in Empowered Consumerism or Eggplant 2.0, we are all champion, victor, and winner. Okay? What else? I can still remember 2020. 2020. Many challenges. Many people are asking, sir, how can we adapt to these changes? How will we gonna survive? Guys, we cannot control. But always remember that God is always in control. The only thing you have to do is you have to believe in yourself. Okay? Reflection. You have to reflect. Okay? Reflect. Okay, when we talk about reflection, I still remember when I still new in this business, the same thing as an active networker, many of my downlines experiencing discouragements, rejections. Some people, their downlines are promising that they will join the business, promise that they will attend the training, and they never show up. You know what my reflection was? It is okay, because you cannot control. You cannot control your downlines. It's like in nature. We cannot control the calamity. You cannot control the pandemic. You cannot control the weather. You cannot control that. But one thing you can control is our action. So it depends on how you see things. Here in our business, we will not teach you only how to become successful. Because how to become successful, how to become a multi-millionaire is given already here in our business. All you have to do is you have to be in control. And that was my reflection. It's very easy. Now my reflection was how to be grateful. Number one reflection in my life is how can you survive those crises? 2 words. You have to be grateful. You have to be grateful and you have to be thankful. And some people will say, sir, it's very hard to be thankful and to be grateful nowadays because of this calamity or pandemic. That's why we have training right now to remind everyone, grateful. How can you be grateful? You have to learn how to appreciate. Number one, that's what we call time. Can you type it down? Time. We were given so much time. Unlike before, We are very busy building our network. We are very busy building our career. So much home parties, one-on-one presentation, invitation. Some of us will get tired. But I realized, but because of what happened, we have now enough time to be with our family, with our friends. We have now enough time to learn new things. We have enough time to learn how to make PowerPoint presentation, to how to connect via Zoom. That's time. You have to appreciate that we're all given enough time to learn. What else? We were given a chance. This is my reflection. We were given a chance to help a lot of people. Because of this platform, Economy Driver Plan, or EdPlan 2.0, Empowered Consumerism, I realized that we were able to help a lot of people, students, employees, even you are an employees, you can do this as part-time. We were able to help businessmen, professionals, even OFW. And just imagine, we were able from ordinary consumer to become an entrepreneur, helping business. And lastly, that's why I'm very excited when we talk about help, AIM Global, we will not give you only how to become successful. We have what we call Alive Foundation. Alive Foundation, this is the heart of this business. There was a saying that many people were asking us, what is the purpose of life? The purpose of life is to help other people. Okay, to help other people. And that becomes our Alive Foundation. Okay? So the highest form of living is giving. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to remind everyone, we are not just helping other people to become financially free, to have time freedom and financial freedom. We are giving hope to a lot of people. Regardless of your background, your race, your color, your religion, it doesn't matter. We are giving hope. Can you type it down? Hope. What else? Appreciation. Right now, what I realize, we have to appreciate our company. We have to appreciate empowered consumerism. Why? Because we're giving us equal opportunity. Appreciation. You have to appreciate our products, our marketing plan, our mentors, coaches, uplines. We have to appreciate also our downlines, our users, our consumers. You have to appreciate that until now, we have enough food to eat. We are healthy. And lastly, you have to appreciate what? We have to appreciate what? Our health. It's number one, we are in the health products. And after appreciation, time, help other people, and appreciation, I can tell you right now, never, never, never give up. Never lose hope. Never give up. Never quit. And never, never compare yourself to others. You are unique. You are a champion. You have to appreciate yourself. And lastly, keep moving, keep dreaming. No, keep dreaming, because our action always depends on how we dream. Big dreams, big future. Small dreams, small future. No dreams, no future. Now, my question is this. Right now, kayo ba'y nangangarap pa? Ang taong pinakamahirap hindi yung taong walang pera. Ang taong pinakamahirap yung taong walang pangarap. So keep on dreaming. Never lose hope. Never, never, ever quit. Are you with me? And last, after keeping, it's about you. Everything starts sa'yo. So that word, from time, help, appreciation, never give up, and keep, that is thank you. Right now, I'm very thankful. Okay, here's my slide. Alam nyo, ganyan talaga kapag live. Just imagine, kapag live, ganyan talaga. But I want to show this slide so that you will appreciate everything that I will discuss. Listen to this slide. Look at the slide. Ships don't sink because of the water around them. Do you agree? Ships sink because of the water that gets in them. You have to internalize those words. What else? Let's make it fast. Okay? So again, thank you. Can you type it to your laptop, to your cell phone, the word thank you? Because if you are thankful, you will forget all the challenges, all the crises. And that's the first word, to become. What else? To become. You have to know how to reflect. After the word reflect, what comes next? Recharge. You have to recharge. Like gadgets. When we talk about gadgets, what comes to mind? Cell phone, laptops, even we have expensive gadgets, top of the line. But if you will always use that, it will drain so fast. The more we use our gadgets, it will drain so fast. And how can you use it again? You have to recharge it. The same thing as human. You know, to tell you honestly, that's why we have kick-off training right now, just to remind everyone, it is not easy. It is not easy to build network. Because if you will build network, there's so many expectations. Many people will reject you. Many people will laugh at you. Many people will promise that they will show up, but they will never show up. And when that happens, what will happen to your emotion? You will be drained. Okay? You will feel anxiety, you will stress. All you have to do is to attend trainings. Trainings like kick-off trainings, company events, it will help you to recharge again. So it's very important to recharge ourselves by attending lots of training. Now, can you still remember every time you are doing this business, you're expecting so much, pay-ins, you're expecting your friends, your family, your prospect that they will show up, and if they did not show up, what will happen to you? You become affected. Recharge. And one way we're doing right now, this kick-off training is to help you to recharge. We will make you 200%. Your battery, we will make it 100%. And lastly, after the after the recharge, that's what we call restart. Can you type it? Reset. What is reset? To start again. To start again. Why we have to start again? Why you have to start again? Why we have to restart again? Because building a network needs a lot of courage, needs a lot of energy. Okay, we have to restart again. So restarting meaning, okay, restart. Do you still remember when you were still first time in doing this business? You're very excited, 100%. The moment you purchase your global package, you are very excited. Your belief is 100%. Your commitment, your enthusiastic, you're very enthusiastic. Your energy, you're very committed in what you're doing. But as you go along, you are encountering this many rejections, discouragement. What happened to you? You have to bring back, you have to restart your energy, your belief, your commitment, even your attitude. Okay? You have to reset or restart again. Now, ladies and gentlemen, don't make it complicated. Don't make it complicated. The reason of this training is to remind everyone that this business, this is easy if you know what you're doing. It will only become difficult. It will only become hard if you are not prepared. That's why this 2021, we are preparing you. We are preparing you so that your dreams will come into reality. Do you like that your dreams will come into reality? You have to reset again. You have to think that this is your first day. Always think that this is your first day, because if this is your first day, all the excitement level, all the commitment, and all the energy is within you. Are you with me? So reset and restart again. Never forget the basic. Right now, breakthrough. Right now, breaking barriers. We have to adapt changes. But never forget the basics. It's easy. And what are the basics? From prospecting, invitation, presentation, closing, follow-up, and goal setting. Ladies and gentlemen, to all of you, we're very excited. I will discuss everything, okay? We're very excited because right now, part of our innovation, right now we will be focusing. We have what we call Easy Talks. Monday to Sunday, we have 3 seminars, 1 p.m., 3 p.m., and 7 p.m. for our Easy Talks. And good news, because of because the company's heart is so big, we have also what we call R2S program or Roadmap to Success. It is designed for our international partners in Europe, in Africa, in Middle East, in Asia. everything. We're doing everything to guide you, to help you, to inspire you, to train you, so that your dreams will come into reality. The only question is, are you ready? Can you type it down? If you're ready, type it down. I am ready. Because if you're ready, we are more ready. Just imagine, we are the only company. Start of the year, the board of directors, top management, we're doing everything. We're doing everything just to support everyone. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? We are back up with 14 years experience. But until now, we are consistent. We are consistent in what we are doing. Planning, innovation, updates. Okay? Masarap tulungan ang mga taong gustong magpatulong. Masarap turuan ang mga taong gustong paturo. So just pakita mo lang sa amin yan. Just show that to us. And we are very, very much willing to help you and to guide you. Again, umpisa pa lang ito. Abangan niyo po yung mga next na pag-uusapan natin. I'd like to welcome everyone to our Kick-Off Training 2021, Breaking Barriers, More Power, Empowered Consumerism, and Ed Plan 2.0. Power!